new video. Goal today is to complete the pumpkin mushroom field pollen done. Hopefully 500 million pollen from getting stumped. Then hopefully most of the night before business done. And I think maybe getting stumped done. And then most of these two pollen quests done. And the night before business mostly done besides nectar and Mrs. B. So I completed 400 tokens to sprout and these also quest 500 million pollen. I was doing some field plan and I realized I won't get 300 million. I popped 400 a little bit up with 5 business. So I'll be back when I have 500 level 5 plus blooms done and 5 bottles strawberry field and pumpkin field done. And I'll be back. So while I'm recording, I killed like werewolf and this random Wendy bee spawned, so it killed it. When I killed my werewolf, you guys don't expect that. I got a gingerbread. You can buy a mythic egg. Let's go. Let's see what I can get. I'm gonna enhance it on my what's my most not cool. This is on one of my popular beads. A tadpole bee. How is this bee? I don't care, it's a mythic bee away. Blue boost. Oh, someone's a frog. That's a passive. I have let's see if I don't have any treats. Bro, I have. Let's give it 1,000. I'll be back when I have the quest I said to be done. So I was running out of time. I completed the pumpkin patch field, so I have the boost, but I was running out of time. So that's the end of the video. See you guys. I won't upload on Thursdays and Fridays anymore, and because I practice Sundays.